And you know where we are. It is one of the most recognisable arenas for the beautiful game in the world. And boy, does it add to the occasion. Well, if you did just miss it, we are up. He's gone for it! Goal! Well, if that was their intention pre-match, let me tell you, it's worked out very nicely. I think for the skipper to chip in with a goal too is a bonus. But this game has already taken on a real attacking edge, and long may that continue. Well, you know, thinking about that, I think they've perfected that on the training ground, because it took them seconds to get the ball from back to front, and they really commit forward in numbers too. That was all very well drilled. Well, that has certainly made things interesting. Good challenge, he just stood firm. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Messi. He's away. Hits one. Really well taken goal. All too easy. They are in danger of disappearing out of sight. Yeah, looking back at that, that's how you play on the counter. Quick and decisive and ruthless with the finish. I thought it was a stunning, stunning breakaway. Paris Saint-Germain take a 2-goal lead, and things should be comfortable from here on in. Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous spell for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable. There could be more on the way. Gets the better of his man. Now it's Messi. Brings it forward. It's a very good battle there. Terrific to watch. Borini with the foul. Knocks it away. Borini battles to win it back. Ronaldo goes looking. Now it's Messi. Has a hit! And more and more and more. And they're at it again in double quick time. Paris Saint-Germain are really pouncing on any stray passes in midfield. We're talking seconds from interception to the back of the net. It's counter-attacking heaven. Paris Saint-Germain take a 3-goal lead, and they are romping out of sight. Vinicius Junior, great strength, too strong for his opponent. Promising move that, good inroads into enemy territory, but no joy. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo gets flagged offside. Gets it upfield. Gets it back. Rice. Davis. Tries a shot! In for the pieces! And oh! He's scored! And he's delivered his first in new colours. He was so alert to the possibilities there. Great stuff. Well, for me, that's just pure predatory brilliance. It's not so much the finish, but the way he read the situation when nobody else was even alert to it. It's fantastic. Paris Saint-Germain totally rampant here. It's a loose ball. He's on his way. He's had a go! And that That's past the post.
Well, the most exciting sight on a football pitch. He had too much trickery for that defence. Brilliant.
Morata. Leno. And here's Messi. And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. And he's cut it out. The half-time whistle goes. Well, that flew by. It was breathless stuff. It's been one-way traffic here after the first 45 minutes. A relentless barrage that looks set to continue.
Paris Saint-Germain have been more or less perfect, I would say. Their manager's all smiles, and he's got every reason to be.
Paris Saint-Germain utterly dominant in the first 45 minutes, scoring at will. And if you're just back from your break, you've missed very little of the resumption of the second half. Barini drives it forward. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Keeper's got good distance on that. They're guilty of lacking inventiveness here. It's all broken down. Oh, he's broken through. Chance. Big chance. Sticks it away. A contest no more. It is nothing short of utter humiliation.
It's part of the game, Peter. It has to get ruthless. Sympathy just doesn't play a part.
His second of the game, and an eye now for the hat-trick. Paris Saint-Germain tear their opponents apart once again. They are utterly ruthless. Tolisso puts his foot on the gas. Tolisso continues his run. Shapes to shoot! It's there! This is as ruthless as it gets.
Well, I think we've gone past humiliation now. This could be doing some real psychological damage.
He's made it two, and no doubt he's hungry for more.
Well, they're very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
And it's Bale. Rice. It's been intercepted, and that will come to nothing. Now it's Cristiano Ronaldo. He's got away. Shot a goal! Vinicius Junior. Going through. Oh, good interception. Back to the keeper and try something new. Some good work on the right flank. Now, what's next? Morata. He's away. It's Morata! Oh, taken with style. He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
Well, he made it obvious as to where the pass should be played, Peter, and it made the finish look that bit easier.
And here's Cristiano Ronaldo. He gets past his man. Oh, shooting chance! No mistake! And again, they pile on the misery.
Well, I wasn't expecting them to go this big, Peter, but they have been superb.
He snaffles his third, and that earns him the match ball.
This is one of the best performances I've seen in a while. He's practically taken on this team single-handedly, and they don't know how to stop him.
Davis gets it back. He's left his man. A chance! Has a go! Cleared away. Messi! And the ball's and in again. This would fall kindly. Goal! And still they continue with the onslaught.
Yeah, by the looks of it, there may be still more to come.
4 in the game. He is the man.
Well, unsurprisingly, Peter, the opposition look completely stunned. I'm not sure they can gather themselves.
Confirmation that there will be 4 minutes stoppage time. The ball's come loose and the chase is on. Shapes to shoot. Foul right on the edge of the box. It could go either way here. No, the referee's judged that the offence took place outside the area. And no surprise, that's a booking.
Well, I think the alternative was to stand there and do nothing while he tried to score, and obviously he's not going to allow that, Peter, is he?
Bale! Oh, how's that for a goal? A finish right from the top drawer. Oh, that is a bit special. Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. Paris Saint-Germain, a class apart.